You're doing very well. Some cups there. Okay.
Oh, you've got too much tea in here.
Did I?
One squirt.
No, la la la. No, la la la.
Daddy says, oh,
Yeah.
my cup smells really nice. You'll tell him that I did it.
I'll tell him that you cleaned it. Shall we tell him that you're better than him?
Yeah.
Do you think he'll get upset though?
Let's not tell him.
We won't tell him.
Yeah, that'll make his feelings hurt.
It will, won't it?
Yeah, we'll tell him you're really good at doing the pot.
Yeah, we shall. We'll do that.
Yeah, even though he's not winning, because we don't want to hurt his heart.
We don't want to hurt his heart now.
It'll be horrible. It'll be such a...
Do you want to wash the pots after dinner as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I taking too long?
No, we're doing fine.
Oh, them bits can't come on.
Can't they?
Sticky.
No, okay, that's fine.
Scrub them really hard.
What?
Because when I was a little kid, I scratched these. Daddy helped me.
They're only cheap ones anyway. That's okay.
I think 100 million scratches in here.
Can ya?